Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for all things beauty, hair, fashion, and lifestyle. It's your girl, Lady M here, back with another video. And today's video is all about the Beautylish Lucky Bag 2021. So here's my box. I was able to snag the XL box. I have no idea what's inside. See, it's still sealed. And so we're gonna open that up together in today's box. So let's find out if I was lucky or not so lucky. Yeah. But before we get into today's video, go ahead and hit that subscription box down below. That way you'll be notified whenever I put out new videos. And while you're there, hit the notification bell. That way you'll also be notified whenever new videos go live. All right, guys, so sit back, get something to drink, and let's get into this Beautylish Lucky Bag XL unboxing. Let's go. All right, so I'm just trying to open up my box here and okay, so put away all sharp objects. Let's get this box opened. So as I was mentioning, if you're not familiar with the Beautylish Lucky Box, it's like a Japanese tradition at the beginning of the new year, and they put out different types of lucky bags. You don't really know what's inside the bag, but you pay a certain amount and then the value of the bag is supposed to be a certain amount. So they have just the regular bags, which are $75, and then you can pick your skin tone, whether light to medium or medium to deep. And then they have the XL, which is $150, and I think it's valued at over $300 or something, but I'll be sure to list all of that information in the description box below. So I got the XL box. I usually get this every year, and for the most part, my boxes have been pretty decent. I've gotten a lot of like Natasha palettes, Charlotte Tillsbury palettes, lots of pretty, variants of nice things in the boxes. So I'm excited to see what I was able to get this year. Usually the box comes out like right after Christmas or the day after Christmas, and then it ships in the new year. So you're basically doing like a pre-order and then you get your box later. But anyway, all the details about the Beautylish Lucky Bag will be in my description box. So let's go. I just opened up my box, and like Beautylish gets like a 10 out of 10 for their way they pack their boxes. So that's what's on the inside, and it just basically says what the lucky bag is. It says lucky bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create their own. The Japanese character for this year's lucky bag means dawn or daybreak, symbolizes new beginning after a challenging year. We hope the surprises inside would help you welcome 2021 with hope and light. Lucky Bag 2021 hashtag, and then basically that's what it does. It explains it, and then look at that. Look at the details. Do you see that bee right there? All right, so let's open her up. Like, I don't want to mess this up. Like, they do such a good job. And then once you open it, then it comes with all of this packaging. And of course, they always promote this brand, the good molecules. That's always in every lucky bag. So let me go ahead and sit this down. So this is the Good Molecules Caffeine Energizing Hydrogel Eye Patches. It's formulated to firm, energize, and hydrate tired eyes. And the way my life is set up, I do not get a lot of sleep, so I probably really could benefit from these. And I'm opening up so you guys can see. This is the packaging. I have never tried anything from this brand, Good Molecules, but I heard that it's really good. It's probably similar to like the Ordinary or Inculus, the price point, and it has this little scoop, and then it has the little thing, but I don't want to open it because, yeah. Yeah. Okay, so that's one of the items. I thought it, eye patches, why does it look like it's like creams or something? I don't know. And then this is something else. This is this brand called Holly Frog, and it's Sunapee Sacred Sea Brightening Powder Wash, Buff, and Coconut Milk. So that's the packaging. To use, add a few drops of water. Okay, so this is probably going to be similar to the rice polish from Tatcha. As you know, the rice polish from Tatcha comes in this little jar and it's powder and it's supposed to exfoliate the skin. So I'm assuming that's what this is supposed to be like. Yep. So I just opened it up and you're not going to be able to see, but you can see on the inside that's the powder. So I'm assuming it is. It says it's a wash for any skin type, even your sensitive ones in need of a fine tune-up. So yeah, I'm assuming that this is gonna be like an exfoliator. I thought this usually comes with a box, like a little packaging to tell you what the price point is for everything in here, but I guess not. So this is how the rest of the items in my box is packaged. So let's see. And I already see some things in here that I really wanted. Okay. Orbe thickening spray. Orbe Maximista thickening spray. As you can already see the way my hair is set up, I don't really think I need this. So yeah. Anybody, I might be, you know, sending that your way. And then here, oh my gosh, I got this in a BoxyCharm box. So this is the Kitsish Cleanse Ritual. It's your ice roller for your overworked sensitive skin. Yeah, I don't want to open this, but I'll link the BoxyCharm box above in the cards that I did get, that I got this in. And it's just basically literally like it says, a roller. It's almost like the jade rollers or the rose quartz rollers. It's literally the same thing, but on the side where the roller is, this one is like a metal and you can freeze it and, you know, do all that stuff. It says thoroughly cleanse and dry skin, remove ice roller from freezer, allow to sit for a few minutes. And then it says for additional benefits, apply your favorite serum or sheet mask, and it's lymphatic drainage. Start treatment by rolling along cheekbones outwards towards hairline. Slowly move upwards towards eyes and roll under eyes upwards. Roll from center of chin outwards along jawline towards ears. Roll up the temples, blah, blah, blah. And that's pretty much what this is. I don't want to open it because I can just really give this away to someone. All right, next is a Sonia G Brush, and I don't think I have this one. The Jumbo Blender, I do not have this one, so that's a nice one to add to my collection. As you do know, I do use Sonia G brushes. They're amazing, so I'm happy for this brush. Natural hair, also made in Japan, very soft. I mean, bomb, 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 bomb. So if you haven't tried it, I think you should definitely save your coins and then invest in the brush. All right, the next thing is these lips from Hourglass, and this is the Confession collection, and I think I got this already from Sephora. I'm pretty sure I did. I did an unboxing video and I think that is in it. Oh, I'm starting to feel like I'm not lucky, y'all, because I'm getting stuff that I already have. Oh my gosh, look how cute that is. So you put it down, it's red. Oops, let me get it right. See, it's red. So they usually come out with this during like Valentine's Day, and they come out with like 2 lip colors, but I don't think I have this one. I lie. I think I have something else. I'm gonna try and find it. Don't know, but I'm probably gonna link the video that I did with my Sephora haul because I remember getting some from Sephora. This one is Loves All of You. This is so cute. Look at that. When you have stuff like this, like, why do you want to use it? Because it's just cute. It's like, it's so nice. Okay, so basically you get 2 lipsticks in this set. And that's just very nice. Okay, so the 2 shades are All of Me and Loves All of You. Reminds me of a song. Anywho, I want to see the other one. Trying to open it up so I can see the color. And they're just basically like 2 red lips. So that's cute. Don't want to swatch. Not gonna swatch. But oh my god, I didn't realize that. And then the packaging has hourglass and the little heart. So that's so cute. So cute. Okay. Definitely cute. All right, putting that back. All right. Every year, I think everybody gets these lashes. And this is lashes in a box, 20-piece, handmade 20-piece eyelash set, professional finish. And yeah, this is not my jam. I don't even know what I did with it last year. I think I gave it away. I got something like this last year. Just kind of had just made me mad. Like, really? No. And I think I'm going to list the price of these in the video, so you'll be able to see what the price is of these. But I mean, I didn't even try them. Like, see what I'm talking about? Yeah, no. And then the next 2 things in here, things that I do not have. And so one of them is the Natasha Denona Love Palette. And I'm, I don't know if I should say sad to say or happy to say, I did not buy this when it came out. So this was from last year, Valentine's Day, when she came out with the Love collection. And I probably think this was like the first palette that I did not buy that had came out from Natasha. I'm gonna open it up so you can see. It's like purples and pinks. So that's the palette. So definitely thumbs up. This I know is $65. So that's pretty neat. So excited for that because I don't own it and I did want it, but I was just like, oh, you know, I couldn't launch the trigger to get that. And then the last thing in my box is this. I'm laughing because this ain't gonna work, honey. This is the Charlotte Tillsbury Flimstar Bronze and Glow palette. And I think this comes with the brush. Yep. This was part of the holiday collection, if I'm not mistaken. And so that's so nice, the packaging. You can hear. And I'm gonna just laugh because do you see what I see? Yeah, no. This is for medium to light to medium skin. So child, this ain't gonna work for me. So yes, I will be blessing somebody with this because no. Not even going to swatch it. So yeah, that's my boxy charm. That is my Beautylish Lucky Bag 2021. My gosh. So I got, let's count it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 things. And I probably like 3 for sure, because I don't have these and I love these. I use Sonia G brushes. I wanted this, just didn't get it. And then these lippies are bomb. Not sure about this because no. Thickening, no, I don't need that. The eye patches, I'll definitely try those because, you know, we all need a little extra zhuzh for the under eye. This, no thank you. Not really sure. I already used the rice polish from Tatcha, so I'm not really sure about that, but I'm definitely gonna do my research and I'll definitely let you guys know my thoughts if I use any of the other items in the bag, but I probably won't. So I would venture to say that I'm feeling pretty unlucky because I thought I was gonna get some other stuff in here, but I mean, you take a gamble, and sometimes that's what you got to do in life, is just take chances. But anyway, it's 2021. Cheers to new beginnings, as the bag said. So I definitely do embrace that daybreak or dawn, new beginnings after a challenging year. So I wish you all, out there in the world, a good 2021, sending you positive vibes. New beginnings, and hoping your 2021 is better than 2020. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in today for today's video. Don't forget to hit the subscription box down below. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you'll be notified whenever new videos go up. Peace.